So here we're going to install a super automatic vent opener. As you can see, much heavier, more substantial than our typical opener. These openers will only ever be used on double glass and 6mm glass roof vents. So they really do rely on the weight of the glass to help them open and close. If you notice here on the vent frame bottom, we actually have an extra cleat that's been attached. As you can see, this opener is quite substantial. It wouldn't actually fit on the typical vent frame bottom. You'll see this little threaded knob on this aluminum casting. This knob really needs to be on the inside of the opener. If you have it placed over here, the opener won't function properly. This is quite a common mistake that we see customers making. So you'll notice on the opener itself, there's these two cleats. This one has the slots running horizontally. This one here has them running vertically. The horizontal slots will be the ones that connect to your cleat. To connect this opener, you're going to use these. They're number 10 self-tapping screw. So as you can see, basically just hold the opener into position. And connect to the plate. So the cleats themselves are the same width on the vent frame bottom as they are on the opener. So it's actually quite easy to line them up. Just make sure everything's nice and flush. Now you'll notice when it comes to actually attaching the opener to the vent, these holes here are for a standard opener, goes through our standard machinery. Only one of these opener holes will line up. I find it's easier with a really long driver bit, but you just want to drive through the hole that's already existing there. So once we have the opener attached to the cleat here, we can just use these self-tapping screws to connect it to the vent gutter. And there you have it.